Hello students, let us understand today motile organism and non-motile organisms. So what are the motile organisms? Which can move or have an ability to move, they all are referred as motile organisms. Now what all are the non-motile organisms? So the organisms which cannot move from their place. They are having stationary position or they are stick to the ground or any surface, so that they cannot move. So they are referred as non-motile organisms. Now examples for motile organisms are one of the bacteria which are named Salmonella bacteria. They are motile organism, whereas non-motile organisms are sponges. Now let us get into the detail and understand what are these organisms. Hello students, do you want to excel in maths and science? We have some don't memorize courses for you which will help you in your preparation of maths and science. I have given the links in the description. You can avail the 90% of the discount. Don't memorize courses are part of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. So let us first see Salmonella bacteria. So subset of Salmonella have long whip-like tail, and that let them move freely within infected cell. That's why they are motile organisms, because they can move freely into the infected cell. And this whip-like structure, the tail at the end of their structure, it will help them to move. It causes typhoid, diarrhea, fever and stomach cramps into the person who has infection of Salmonella bacteria. Now it is a rod-shaped bacteria. So these are the Salmonella bacteria which are considered as motile organisms. Now the sponges, they are considered non-motile organisms because they are sessile. Now sessile means which cannot move. The other name of non-motile organism is sessile. The second point of that is they spend their lives attached to the fixed soil through roots like projection. So they have roots like projection which they inserted into the soil and they will fix themselves to the soil. So they cannot move, they are non-motile, they are also known as sessile. Let us see the difference between motile organism and non-motile organism. So motile organisms can move freely, that's why they are known as motile organism. Motile means which can move. Non-motile organisms cannot move because non-motile means cannot move or sessile. Now example for motile organisms are Salmonella bacteria, whereas non-motile organisms are sponges. Salmonella have whip-like structure which will enable them to move, whereas the sponges have roots-like projection attached to the soil which will fix them at one place. So these are the motile organism which can move, these are non-motile organism which are sessile which cannot move.